Welcome back to CQ World. In our last session we have created this demo page in CQ. Now we are going to enhance this page, as well as we are going to add CSS.js and also enable the sidekick page. This is the CRXT Lite. This is the sample component.js code. Before doing any changes, we will have to structure this code. We need to add the doc type HTML, and most important thing is the head.jsp we will have to add. What is head.jsp? Head.jsp is having the basic files and the configuration through which you can use your CSS.js library, that is the client list, and also it will enable your sidekick. So just have a quick look on head.jsp. It will reside inside libs folder or foundations pages folder. This is the code which will enable your sidekick. If you want to override the head.jsp, you just need to copy this file, put it inside your component, and it will override the head.jsp. Then you can edit anything you want in your head.jsp. So that is what I have created now. Let me save it. I have saved it. One more thing I have added here is the CQ cell name property. You can name it whatever you want. Let me tell you what is the use of adding CQ cell name. CQ cell name will be is whatever the name you are providing. There you can edit the page structure. Like if you have added this parses, you have provided the path name, so you can use par anywhere in any of your page component. But before that, you will have to create this home. Where you can create it, you can create at the same place where your etc designs exist. Before doing this, let me create the design folder. For creating design folder, you need to go to CQ tools, designs. Once you are inside design, you can create new page, name the new page as your project name. I have named it as my project name, what was project 1. Then I added one CSS library, static.css. Inside client lib, I added my CSS images.js. All those references I can, whatever the name I will be providing here, I can use it in my code. So again, go back to CRXT Lite, go back to etc designs. Here I am in etc designs. Now you will see that this folder, what I have created in tools, will exist here. It's having all the files what I have created or I uploaded. Everything is here. Now the important thing is the JCR content. It will be by default present in the project 1, but this thing home I have added. Home, as I told you, CQ cell row name was at that time was the home, so the same name node I have created here. Then inside it I created one component only, par. What I have used in this path name, par, for the parses. So this thing is very much mandatory. So that's what I have done. Now go back to templates, go back to the JCR content of templates, and add this property called CQ design path string. Provide the design on location, that was etc designs project 1, and save the whole project. Create a new page, since older page won't be having the changes of the template. So I will create one new page, sample template. Let me create this one. Go back to the page. Okay, so now you can see the page style has changed. It's having this parses. So from sidekick you can drag and drop any of the components here and can use it as according. Let me show you one quick example. So it's working now, everything is fine. My project 1 is also listed here because when I created my page structure in the JCR content, that was home par. Inside the par, I have provided the components group as the general as well as project 1. So Until unless you are not adding any component inside your project 1 component group, you can't see this component group listed in the sidekick. Now why this project 1 was appearing in sidekick? Because in my project, inside the content, I have already added one component called text image, which is having the component group as project 1, and this component was working fine, so that's why it's appearing here. If you can see, you'll see after clicking on project 1, I can see my component. I can drag and drop it and can use it and edit it, anything whatever I want. So this is how it works in the CQ. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and leave your comment and feedback, and we'll get for watching this video, and have a great day.